Good morning, my name is Marianna Di Nola and I just finished my 6 months of MTM, and today we actually had the presentation of our final project. The project I worked on was called Volume Zero. So what was Volume Zero about? It was about a new concept of hospitality which wanted to focus its attention on some facilities which were not accommodating facilities in order to make them accommodating facilities in the occasion of Expo 2015 in particular, and more in general for other events taking place in Milan and in the surroundings of Milan. Take for example Fashion Week or Design Week. So the aim of this project was that of focusing our attention on 23 districts which were comprised in the areas of the city of Milan and the city of Varese, in order to create a network of all the facilities that we could find. So we were focusing our attention on any kind of facility. So we were looking for old schools, for old monasteries, for churches, for military bases and so on. We only had one main concern in mind, that all these facilities had to be in rather good conditions. So we were evaluating the general conditions of these facilities. We were trying to understand how many rooms these facilities had, the size of the rooms, if these rooms could be used by smokers or not, if these buildings had structures that could be used by disabled people or not, and so on. What about the methodology we used? Well, at the beginning we got in touch with all the Expo representatives of all the 23 districts, and we scheduled meetings, and during the meetings we actually tried to figure out which facilities we could actually focus our attention on. Then we got in touch with the supervisors of the facilities. So for example, we got in touch with the Mother Superior for the monastery, or with the police department for the camping areas, and so on. Then we actually had to visit the facilities, we evaluated the facilities, we analyzed the data, and then we decided which facilities could we consider in order to develop further our project. At the end of our project, and for various reasons, we ended up focusing our attention on 3 districts that were Legnano, Nerviano and Rescaldina, and for reasons that kind of range from the kind of attractions that we could find in these districts, and the availability, the economical possibility for these districts in order to invest in the project, and last but not least, the interest that these districts had to take part into this initiative. So, well, actually, with my group, we took part in the pilot phase of this project. So we are still talking about the project, which is in itinere, and probably in September we're gonna have more details. And so starting from September, we will probably get the chance to work a little bit more on this project, but the results we had were pretty satisfying, so we're very happy, and we were actually helped by a very nice person, which is called Mr. Penati, who is working in the Legnano area. So we will see if in the future we will be able to get more results, and we will be able to use all these facilities we found in order to exploit them for Expo 2015 and the other events that will take place in Milan and in the surroundings.